So here we have the Hostcomm dialer agent interface. It's entirely web-based. I have a SIP soft phone set up on my PC here, registered to extension 102. Hence I'm logging in under phone login 102. And I'm also registered to user 102 as well. I'm going to select which campaign I want to work from today, so I'll use the test campaign. I'll log in.
Agent logged in.
The dialer makes a call to my SIP soft phone extension. I accept that call and it logs me in. The window we saw flash up there just showed that I'm actually a blended agent, so I'm able to take inbound calls as well. So here we have the standard agent interface screen. So we have our dialer control buttons here. So if I were to press resume, it would start making calls. Some of these buttons are greyed out at the moment because we're not currently in a call and therefore able to choose them as options. I have my standard name and address etc. fields here. I can manually dial a number from here, which still goes through the campaign, so it's going to get recorded like all the other calls. I can pause my session by entering a pause code here. This is showing me that I've actually got some active callbacks already, and also I've got some hotkeys that I've set up under the campaign, which are here, which are basically speed function buttons, enabling us to very quickly disposition a call as an answer machine, a decline sale or a sale. Okay, so I'm going to press resume now. It's going to start calling the first telephone number in the data that I've uploaded already, and that's my mobile phone number, so that should ring right now, which it is. As soon as I take that call, it's going to screen pop any name and address and any other details that I've already uploaded into the dialer database. Okay, so now I'm in a call. I have a few extra buttons that I can use. I could transfer the call to someone. So we can either actually set up predefined numbers and speed dial buttons that we can transfer through to, or we can just transfer through to a group of closers that we've already set up. So you might have fronters and closers in your business with lower skilled guys on the front line that then need to pass the call through to a more highly skilled person in the background to close the call. Or you can just enter manually a phone number in the box here. Once you've decided on the number you want to transfer through to, you can either do a blind transfer, you can dial with the customer so they can hear the third phone ringing, or you can do a part customer dial, which puts them on hold, and so they're listening to hold music whilst you're getting hold of the third party and introducing the call. Okay, so let's say that we're wrapping up this call now, so I'm going to press the hang up customer button, and then I've got a few call outcome codes that I can choose from here, or quite a few here on this one. So let's say we had a successful call there, we made a sale. I press sale, I submit that, and it'll basically start calling the next telephone number in the data, which again is my mobile phone number on this occasion, and there it is. So if I take that call, again, the screen pops the customer details, and then I can, if I wanted to, I can enter further details in here, such as email addresses, or I could write some comments in here. And when I basically press hang up customer, that's effectively saving any data I've put in there back to the dialer database. Okay, so let's say that was not interested. Press submit again, and again it'll start dialing the next telephone number in the data, which is my mobile. So here we go again. I take that call. Screen pops the details. This time I've got an answer machine. I want to disposition it quickly, so I'm just going to hover my mouse over the hotkey button, press one on my keypad, and as you can see there it says it's dispositioned as an answer machine, so it's automatically hung it up and dispositioned it as an answer machine. And again it's ringing me again. So it's very simple from an agent perspective. It's just call disposition, cyclical. Okay. If I want to put the person on hold, I can just park the call, and then if I want to grab it back, I can grab it back. So let's disposition a callback this time. So quite often agents will say, receive a call and they'll say, oh, so I can't talk now, but can you call me back at 6 o'clock, for example. So if we hang up the call, schedule a call back, press submit, and then we'll choose a call back 6 PM today. And it's already going to be my callback only. You have the option of an any agent callback as well, and you can write some notes in here. Press submit, and then it'll obviously start calling the next phone number, which is my mobile. So there we go, another call come up. And you'll see that if I hang the mobile up first, by the way, up the top right here you'll see call hung up. Okay, so if we hang up that call, and we'll say that was a disconnected number, and I'm just going to check the pause agent dialing button this time because I don't want to carry on dialing. Now it's asking me for a pause reason code, so let's say we're having a tea break. Okay, so whilst I'm paused I can go and look at my previous callbacks. So if I click on here, it'll show me that I've got 3 callbacks there that I've set so far. Okay, so it gives you the time and date of that callback, any notes you might have written, obviously the person's name, the number dialed, and the date and time of that call. Anyway, and then you can choose to either dial or skip those. I'm going to just return. So that's a brief overview of the agent interface with the Hostcomm dialer. Catch up with you soon.